This is the world's coolest router table. It even has a hidden built-in pocket hole workstation. And today, I'm gonna show you everything about it. First, I'll show you all of its quirks and features, then I'll show you how it's built, and then I'll give it a Jackman score. Flip top pocket hole jig. Extra drawer storage hidden behind the jig. Router lift. Dust bin for the router lift. Built-in dust collection for the router and cabinets next to it. Hidden dust hose for the router table fence and pocket hole jig. A door that doubles as an off button for the router. Router bit storage for both half and quarter inch shanks. Drawers with bottoms that are also slides, pulls, and stops. Divider slots in the drawers. Continuous grain on the drawers and door fronts. T-track built into the top, plus a miter slot. All of that built on top of casters so it can easily be moved around. Wait. We're really mowing the lawn right now? Dude, cut it out. You know I'm trying to shoot a video up here. Wait, you're snow blowing now too? There's not even any snow. Hold on. Now you're doing both at the same time? That's not even possible. Just like me talking to myself. That's why nothing ever gets done around here. Just all this and the unnecessary editing. Now, take your cabinet door and put it in the CNC at 250 degrees for 2 hours. And after those 2 hours, it should look like this. So, I have dust collection integrated into the back of this cabinet. That hooks up directly into the dust bucket on the router lift, but it also tees off into a smaller hose, which is what comes through this hole in the table. That hooks up to the router table fence and to the pocket hole jig, so you have dust collection on the entire table. But I don't want this to be a permanent hole in the top of the table, so that's where these plugs come in. And for an over-engineered router table, I decided to over-engineer the plugs a little bit, make 5 different versions. The original just has a simple finger hole in it, so you can put your finger in and grab the hose out. The hose connects in the back of this just with a friction fit, and the plug stays flush with the top of the table. Then when you want to use the hose, you just pull it out of the table and put the plug to the side. I have this version here with a finger hole in it, but there's a back panel so the air can't sneak through. This one's the same finger hole with the back panel, but this one has a V back cut on it, just like the drawer pulls. This one has a hole that I tap threads on, doesn't go all the way through. But I think this one has to be my favorite. No hole in the top. When you put it in the table, you can barely even tell that it's there. And then, magnets.
Magnets, how do they work?
Whoop, whoop. Thank you for watching. If you want one of these pocket hole router table workstations for your own shop, I have plans available on my website. Link for that is down below. The plans include a materials list, a full parts list with dimensions and color-coded parts, 3D renderings, and even cut sheets for all of the sheets of plywood needed for this build. I also want to mention Arians again. Down in the description, I have links to their website. Check out all their machines to see if any of them are right for you. Since I moved to this property almost 2 years ago, their machines have been key to maintaining the property throughout the seasons. Sometimes, it's coastal New England, I get to use both of them in the same month. I have their Icon XD 52-inch mower, which makes it actually enjoyable to mow the lawn. This orange machine is a blast to use, always starts right up, and is just the right size to get done mowing the lawn quickly so I get back in the shop, but it's also easy to transport and store. Now for the winter, I have their Platinum 28-inch Rapid Track snowblower, and I learned last winter that the town apparently doesn't clear our road, so it's all up to me and this tank to get the job done. And this thing is literally a tank. It has treads. And that added way more versatility than I expected. Let you change the angle with the ground, which is really important for me because I have to clear the asphalt road, but also a dirt road and a gravel parking area as well. And besides that, go watch my Netflix show. It's called Making Fun. It's amazing, not just because I'm in it. That's a big part, but that's not the only reason. And go follow my Instagram. Go check that out. See the behind the scenes updates on builds like this one. Bye.